All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the Market Speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com. Today, we're going to talk about hotel and casino stocks, 5 of my favorites here you can see on the screen. Now, when I get stocks on my watch list, I have some scans I run, but most of it comes from my sector analysis. So I'm going through the sectors, seeing what sectors are hot. I have this formula I use to get these sectors on my radar. And over the past few weeks here, casinos and hotel stocks have been leading. So IX 1400 here on TC2000 is lodging. You can see the sector here is breaking out. It's a little extended right now, but definitely a space you want to be watching. And then specific to the casinos, that would be 1410 here, resorts and casinos. And you can see these guys have been flying. So definitely a sector we want to pay attention to. Now, when I find a sector I like, then I dig into the stocks. So I'll pull up the stocks here and look for patterns that are attractive to potentially trade. Doesn't mean I'm going to trade it right now. And none of these are really set up to trade right now, but I'm ready for next week or the week after when they set up again. So let's look at a few of these here. Win, fantastic earnings breakout. So not only is it a great sector, a great pattern here, I'm going to apply my earnings breakout setups to this. So I'm watching Win here. If it consolidates, maybe it pulls back, I get a good pullback entry. If it puts in a high tight flag, I'll play the break of the top of the range. So I'm watching Win very closely. Probably will take 5 or 6 days for the pattern to develop before I could trade it. MGM, another casino stock here. This one has been flying, has moved from 27 to 30. It's going to need some rest. And even though I love this sector, I love the stock, sometimes when these are extended, they'll put in a quick reversal candle and I can actually short it before going long again. So we'll see how this one plays out. It is breaking this 30 range. Ideally, I'd like it to consolidate and hold this level, and then I could enter there. CTRP, I don't know much about this stock. It says lodging here, but it may be an internet company. But anyway, it's related to that space. And you can see it's made a nice move from 41 to 50 and looking to break this 50 range. So for this one, the only way I'll probably play it, especially with this negative candle here, which means I'm probably not going to play a pullback, would be a break of the top of the range. But if it does break that range, we could see the next big run because this thing is consolidated for a couple of months here. MLCO, also really nice here, has moved from 17 to 21, big break yesterday. Looking for a consolidation. A hold of the 9 would get us in to that one. And then finally Hilton, which is also a recent IPO, has made this nice run from 28 to 33, big break yesterday. Again, looking for one of two things, either a pullback and hold of the 9 or a consolidation and break of the high, maybe 33.50. And then actually UA is not a casino stock. This is a stock I am day trading right now, but we've got the 5 stocks right here. Really strong sector to be paying attention to. Be patient, wait for the setups to emerge, and we should get a fantastic trade out of casino and hotel stocks. And maybe you get a good stock. Maybe you get a good play here that actually pays for a vacation at one of these hotels.